Step number 3, the right foot closed change. We'd like to demonstrate it for you. 1, 2, 3. From a different angle. 1, 2, 3. And now I'd like to show the men their foot position. First of all, we have forward right. Diagonally forward left, right foot closes to left foot. And again, forward right, diagonally forward left, right foot closes to left foot. And now the footwork. Heel toe, toe, toe heel. Heel toe, toe, toe heel. And now the timing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now Heather will show us the ladies' part.
The ladies' foot positions are left foot back, right foot diagonally back, left foot closes to right foot. And from a different angle, left foot back, right foot diagonally back, left foot closes to right foot. And now the footwork is toe heel, toe, toe heel. And again, toe heel, toe, toe heel. The timing for this figure is 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Now, Victor and I will dance that one more time for you.
We have 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Now, in this figure, from our position on the standing leg on the left foot men, I'd like you to feel that as you lower, there's a slight inclination and rotation to your right, placing again the lady to the point where she feels her head, shoulder, hip, and foot are all lined up. That will be the commencement of our sway. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, there's an incline to my right, and the lady is stretching diagonally left. Now, what we must be careful in leading this action is not taking our own head and body weight too far over on the lady's side. So I will dance it the incorrect way, where I add too much sway. So I have 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this produces a lack of counterbalance, and all my body weight goes on top of the lady. So we'll do this from a different angle. This is the incorrect way, where I incline too much, and then, of course, we will not only rotate the step, but my weight will go on top of the lady. So now we'd like to show you the correct way. We have 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice I'm swaying to my right with an incline to the right, but keeping on my own side. Okay, we'll try it one more time. We have 1, 2, 3. And that is the right foot closed change.